welcome to the channel knowledgestar, continuous knowledge excellence. My name is Nisha Masroor. In this video, we will get to know about kinetic study of MRI signal. Now, our expert Professor Bohidar, who is associated with National Center Excellence in Agro Nanotechnology, Terry Daikon Nanotechnology Center, India. He has 31 years of academic experience in teaching and research. His area of expertise includes nanoscience and nanotechnology, nanobiointerface science, soft matter science, polymer physics and biophysics. Will explain you in detail about this topic. So, to get complete information, watch full video without a skip.
Now, this is the kinetic study of MRI signal where these nanogels have been used. Okay, initially you see this is the scenario, and after injection, you see that this is the kidney. After injection, 30 minutes after that, you can see that it's eliminated now. The NRI signal is just gone the enhanced signal here. After 60 minutes, it still gets brighter. And after that, it starts excreting from the system and then becomes the pre-injection level, it comes back. It is, in a way, it tells that there is no accumulation of this material inside the kidney and the excretion process is quite efficient. So if the imaging happens before by 1 hour, then we get a very good contrast image in the MRI signal. So this is the retention of the gadolinium in different parts of the body, in the pelvis, medulla, cortex, and in the tumor. And you can see that, for instance, in the pelvis, after the injection, it increases rapidly, and about 90 minutes or so, it comes back to the pre-injection level. Same thing with medulla, also it increases, then it also falls down to the pre-injection level. Whereas in the tumor, it remains at the same concentration. There is no drastic change in this thing. In the cortex, also same thing happens, but at much lower degree. Okay, so this experiment clearly says that when this is administered into the sample, it gets excreted via kidney very rapidly and does not accumulate either in the liver or in the tumor. So this is a very, very important conclusion.
Wait. Are you worried about your project, training, dissertation, internship? Don't think too much, because Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, in short NSTC, is giving you a golden opportunity to do the same tasks. NSTC also conducts workshops on amazing topics. So if you want to register in the workshop, the registration link is given in the description box below, or you may go to the website www.nanoschool.in, where you can easily enroll in the workshops. So just check it out right now.
Because it's not going to create any collateral damage to the patient when it is used. Next is what is the effect on the BBS, blood-brain barrier? Well, now the idea is to see their prevalence in the choroid plexus or ventricle. Now you see the plot here, the pre-injection level, post-injection level is increased slightly in both choroid and the ventricle, and then remains almost same post-injection level. It almost remains same for about 2 hours. But when it is delivered through the nanogel, which is the open circles, it see there is in the ventricle, there is no increase in the content of this material. So it's reflected in the signal of gadolinium. However, there is an increase in the choroid plexus over a period of 2 hours. But the interesting thing is, it has not migrated from the choroid plexus to the cerebral spinal fluid, which is what is required. Though the GDGN level increased in the choroid plexus, it did not increase in the ventricles. So this further suggests that gadolinium, when it's delivered through GN, it cannot enter the brain parenchyma. So these are the advantages of dealing with this contrast agent delivered through the nanogel route into the patient. And that's what this diagram actually tells us. So in summary, what we have seen here in this particular MRI contrast agent application is that it's a very low risk clinical material which can improve the MRI contrast. It is very safe to the patient and it doesn't create any any adverse effect in the brain tissues.
I hope you like this video. Further, I would like to give you an important information that Nanoscience and Technology Consortium organize the nanotechnology workshops on very interesting topics. Also, I would like to tell you about the initiatives of NSTC in which you can also be a part of. Mentorship, patent commercialization, joint product development, research projects, consultancy services, nanomaterials for your research projects, training programs or customized training programs, workshops or customized workshops. So that's all. If you want to see these type of videos, then please do comment. We will definitely reach out to you. Subscribe to the channel on Star and also hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.